History of science. Number one, it studies how scientific knowledge develops, who discover what, when, how, and what social, cultural, philosophical conditions. Number two includes natural science, physics, biology, chemistry, formal science, mathematics, logic, social science, psychology, economics, and overlaps with the philosophical, theology, technology. Some of the biggest turning point in the history of science period. Key features. Scientific contributions. Number one, in science civilizations, early astronomy, measurement, calendar mapping, medicines. Number two, classical antiquity, natural philosophy becomes more formal. Thinkers like Aristotle, Archimedes, Euclid, emphasis on rational explanations. Number three, medieval period or Islamic golden age, preservation, extensions, and the refinement of earlier science, advance in mathematics, algebraic, trigonometry, optics, astronomy, medicines, transmission of knowledge.